How to add PDFs to Google Sheets. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to make sure you are logged into the same account to the spreadsheet and the Google Drive at the same time, and you just have to simply upload your PDF file to your drive. As you can see from here, you just have to click on file folder, and after opening the folder, you can just simply upload your PDF file and click on open, and it will be successfully uploaded. And as I have already uploaded my PDF here, now you just have to select the PDF from here and click on three dots and click on share, then copy link, and then you just have to simply paste it on your spreadsheet. And after pressing it, you just have to simply press on the tab button to make sure the PDF is successfully added to your spreadsheet. So the PDF is now successfully added to the spreadsheet, and you can just click on the PDF file and the PDF file will be opened, and then you can see the PDF file from there. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.